Alright guys, this is Main Street. Now if you checked out the number 4 video, did you see at the end there that there were those cops that pulled me on over? Now they were really nice. But it might have put an end to my whole thing because I don't want people to be calling me and they stop me all the time. There's the Walgreens. That's kind of where this tornado was on the north side of this part. But I'm gonna walk. I told the cops I'm just gonna go down Main Street real quick, and I might end up calling it quits. They were really nice, but they did make a point. They're like, you know, if anything does happen, my name's kind of in the town that happens bad. My name's on the top of the list. If you see what I'm saying. You know, so I don't want to be blamed for nothing. You know what I'm saying. So I decided, I don't know if I'll do videos after this. I just don't want to be stopped. So that might have scratched my 22 days of walking around Joplin. I'll try to get some other tornado videos, but I think this will be the last one. Sorry guys. They really did a good job on these sidewalks here. They built these up really nice. A lot of these lots are still open, and they won't ever fill up. I mean, it'll take them forever to fill up. I think I walked down this street last week, actually. Showed you all the, after the tornado, they built this cupcake building right here. And I thought it was doing good, and they decided to shut it down for some reason. It was nice inside. It ran all day, but they only had the inside open like Friday and Saturday nights for people to come on inside. Something like that. But I guess it just didn't go. I don't know. It always seemed like a hard business too. The people were nice people. Very nice. But see all these open lots here? Look at that. The whole block is open. The whole block. I mean, they'll never sell. Sonic used to be way down there, I think. Yeah, past McDonald's. Or was it right here? Was it right here where that cement's at, where that guy's running? Well, there used to be the old Sonic there, but that was tore down even before the tornado. And here's the new buildings that they built. Bar, which is new. I'll walk up here a little bit more. And sometimes I go on up there for a beer on the second story, hang out. Nice place. Highly recommend it. It's nice. Now this place was here before the tornado, but it was a whole bunch of old buildings, and it was like 3 buildings into one, and it was the taco place. It was a little run down, but then they built this place, which was very nice. Great idea. And this place is always packed. I highly recommend this place. This place is good. You'll definitely get the value of your money. Oh, Vaqueros. And they got a ton of parking. But I'm glad they rebuilt it and made it look really nice. Let me come down here to the old... And I've been down here to the old Taco Bell, but right down there at the McDonald's, that's where the tornado ended. Took out the Taco Bell, but not... I think they rebuilt the McDonald's. I can't remember. I think they did. Got down there to the Pizza Hut. But really didn't take out anything really past McDonald's. It really didn't. But it took out the Taco Bell. Oh, and this place, remember this place, the old food store, the big building here, and then they turned it into a beer place, and then that got shut down because of some legal issues. And they turned it into like a Goodwill or something like that. Remember that? They bought the building like a month or two before the tornado, moved the Goodwill down in here in a big old grocery store. And this is the main and 26th. And then they totally lost their store. Just bam. All gone. Alright guys, I'll try to get on out there and try to make more videos, but after them, they shut me down. I really don't want to keep being shut down, by the cops. Because people are calling on me, I guess. I'm just walking out. I know they don't like to take pictures. People taking their pictures. But okay, guys, we'll see what happens, and I hope you've at least liked these videos, and I do apologize again for not completing my task. I'll probably do one last video on the 22nd, and some others in between. Okay, guys, thanks.